Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 the Ford F150. Stock number on this Ford is 6974. Let's take this virtual video walk around, take the time to actually show you this truck up close and personal, as opposed to static photos. Making our way down the side, passenger exterior with the FX4 off-road package you're going to find. You'll see the tonneau covering. Does have a power rear slider. And we're going to take you and show you the interior in just a second. Keep in mind, warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection for peace of mind driving. Vehicle only has 19,000 miles, extremely low miles. Moonroof for nice visibility and on our dreary days that we have here in the Great Pacific Northwest. They're not too bad. Easy access, one-touch controls right at your fingertips. Power seats, leather, super nice truck. And it's got the power-assisted side steps. So for more information on this truck or any other vehicles that we have in our inventory, call us, email us, or give us a text. We'd be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed the virtual video walk around on this truck. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.